What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the single largest, most widely used cryptocurrency in the world. It has a market cap of 590 billion US dollars. It is bigger than Mr. Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, which has around a market cap of around 530 billion US dollars. Even institutional investors are backing Bitcoin. So, how did we get here? Please note that Bitcoin is a pure demand and supply game. As long as there is a restricted supply and a growing demand, the price will always go up. Bitcoin's supply is restricted to 21 million Bitcoins. Now that 18.5 million Bitcoins are already out there, out in the open market, and the supply is restricted. In fact, Bitcoins, like here on, the minings get thinner and thinner. So a restricted supply and a growing demand, the price will always go up. Now, how did the demand grow? We should thank Federal Reserve of United States of America, aka the Fed. In the year 2020, the beginning, Fed's balance sheet had M2, that is M2 money supply of 15 trillion US dollars. By the end of 2020, we have at 19 trillion US dollars. That's an increase of 4 trillion US dollars in a span of 12 months. A 25% increase in money supply. Where did all this money come from? Now, where does this money go? That is the question. Where do you think all this excess money goes into? Now, due to Fed's excess money printing, the money has to go somewhere. It goes into various investment assets such as equity, commodity you can say gold and silver, and cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, one of them. In the year 2020, during March, Bitcoin was at 4 to 5,000 US dollars per Bitcoin. Now it is at a whopping 31,000 per Bitcoin. If you convert it to Indian rupees, it's at 23 lakh per Bitcoin. Amongst the Western countries, due to COVID, they were given stimulus checks. Now the individuals who received stimulus checks, they invested the amount back into equities and crypto market. That is the reason why both equity market and the crypto market is at its all-time high. Even the Indian market is at its all-time high, wherein the domestic investors were selling, the foreign institutional investors were buying. The past 12 months, India saw highest foreign investments ever. The domestic investors were net sellers, wherein foreign funds were pouring in. But is this rally sustainable? Do you remember what I just said earlier? Bitcoin is a pure demand and supply game. As long as there is a restricted supply and a growing demand, the price will always shoot up. Bitcoin node is in a bull mode. Look, Bitcoin has value as long as the major holders believe in it. As long as the major, also known as hodlers, as long as they hold Bitcoin, Bitcoin will always be true to its value. But once when they start selling, that comes with a crash or corrections. What if there is a government backlash? Now that is an important question. Remember 1970s when gold was removed from its US dollar? When gold backing was removed from US dollar? What if government puts some kind of backlash, some kind of restrictions against Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? In fact, now we are already seeing the Ripple, the third largest cryptocurrency, XRP. Now there is some kind of disturbances in the market. Now answer this. Where do you think our government gets its power to control the economy? The monetary system around which our economy revolves, the sustainability of our economy, it's because of the central government, the central bank's ability to control money supply. Now, if you take this power away from the government, what do you think will happen? So, what do you think? What will happen if Bitcoin is used as money? We'll have a free society, a free open market, and a decentralized money. Government will never let it happen. If you think it will, then you are naive. Government will not let Bitcoin become money. So that is the funda. Maybe Bitcoin will be treated as a commodity. It will be traded in the open market. There are many websites, apps providing you the service. It will be treated as a commodity where speculative investors can invest, and those long-term investors can hope that the Bitcoin price go up over time. It is too good to be true if you are considering that Bitcoin will be money. I hope it happens, but it is too good to be true. So, finally, invest in Bitcoin only if you truly believe that Bitcoin will be the next global reserve currency. Only if you believe that Bitcoin will topple down US dollar as a reserve currency status. Or else, I would suggest you not to invest in Bitcoin. Also, if you want to trade or speculate, see that you are trading, speculating, or even investing. See that your portfolio is at just 5% in Bitcoin, and the rest 5% or 10-15% in gold and silver, and the rest in equities. Remember, asset allocation is a very important tool here. Diversify among different assets and invest wise. Going ahead, the 2021, it will be a bit tricky. Invest in Bitcoin only if you truly understand how the crypto market works. Invest in Bitcoin only if you have the stomach to bear 15, 20, 30% volatile ups and downs. Invest in Bitcoin only if you truly believe in the Bitcoin technology, the crypto technology. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. To get more information about investment, finance, that is personal finance, and economic analysis, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you. Also, we have provided a link in the description. It's a detailed article about Bitcoin. Do consider checking it out.